Let's see question number 6 today, that is choose the right answer. Before choosing the right answer, all of you will read this paragraph at least 2 times. Then only you will start choosing the right answer. In this way, you will be able to choose the right answers. Hope you all can do this by yourselves, as it is very easy. Now let's come to revision. Question number 7. Check that you remember the meanings of these words and that you can pronounce and spell them correctly. You have to ensure that you all know the meaning of these words. If you don't know any meanings, then you should search in the dictionary. Now let's come to question number 8. Give answers like the ones in the examples. We will see first examples. What do you do if you are hungry? You can see in brackets some words are written. We have to use these words in our answer of this question. If I am hungry, I have something to eat. Let's see question number 1. What do you do if you are thirsty? So in bracket you can see have something to drink is written. So what will be the answer? The answer will be if I am thirsty, comma, I have something to drink. Again I am repeating, if I am thirsty, comma, I have something to drink. Let's see question number 4. What do you do if you are cold? Then the answer will be if I am cold, comma, I wear a coat. Again I am repeating the answer. If I am cold, comma, I wear a coat. Let's see question number 8. What do you do if your hair is untidy? Then the answer will be if my hair is untidy, I comb it. Like this you have to do. Let's see question number B. What will John do if he loses his pen tomorrow? You can see word buy, another one is written. If John loses his pen tomorrow, he will buy another one. It's very easy as well, like the previous one. Let's see question number 1. What will Prem do if he sees the thief? Then the answer will be if Prem sees the thief, comma, he will fetch a policeman. Let's see question number 5. What will Alan do if he makes his shirt dirty? Then what will be the answer? The answer will be if Alan makes his shirt dirty, comma, he will wash it. He will wash it. Let's see question number 9. What will you do if you lose your purse? What will you do if you lose your purse? Then the answer will be if you lose your purse, comma, if you lose your purse, comma, you will go to a police station. You will go to a police station. Let's see question number 10. I am explaining more questions so that you can understand well. What will the postman do if he cannot find the house? Then the answer will be if the postman cannot find the house, comma, he will take the letter back to the post office. He will take the letter back to the post office. So like this you all have to try. I hope you all can try nicely.